Hello and greetings to everyone. Today we are to look at the system of units. We take down the heading system of units. The units used for measurements must be understood with minimum explanation and ambiguity. Full stop. For a unit to be chosen for the measurement of a particular physical quantity, it must be, go by the margin, the first property, I, easily compared. The next property 2I, easily reproduced. Take the next property 3I, invariant with time. That means it does not change with time. If we take this down, basically, there are two systems of units, namely, these are the two systems of units. We have the customary units and customary, that means to a particular community, and international system of units. When we talk of this, we refer to SI units. That means a system of units which is used worldwide. Now we take the first system of units, which is the customary system of units. I by the margin, customary system of units. We take this down. This are units adopted by a people of a given locality for the measurement of certain physical quantities. For example, in the US, customary units of length are, we have the foot, which is abbreviated FT, we have the mile, which is abbreviated MI, and we have inch, which is abbreviated as IN. These are customary units for length used in the USA. We move now to the next. We take 2I, which is the International System of Units. International System of Units. This is abbreviated as SI units. Take this down in order for measurement to be communicated in a standard language which is understood by everybody the International System in bracket SI system of units is used. That means if measurements are to be done in such a way that someone who is located in any part of the world can understand the measurements must be done by making use of the International System of Units and not customary units. We write this down. The International System of Units was adopted. This is a small brief history about the International System of Units. It was adopted in the year 1960 by the General, by the General Conference on Weights and Measures. Take this down. In this system, there are 7 principal units from which the units of all other physical quantities can be derived. Write this down. These units are divided into two fundamental types. That is, these are the 2 fundamental types. We have base units and derived units. We have base units and the derived units. Base units are simply those units that are not defined in terms of other units, while the derived units are those units that are defined in terms of base units. In our next video, we are going to treat base units and derived units. If in case you have any questions on what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.